We told you about the fight. The Dominguez family continues to battle for the justice of Demi Dominguez and her son, Malachi De Leon, who died in 2019. It was later determined that she had undiagnosed preeclampsia. Today, the fight continues in front of the state Senate and Assembly members. The family will be participating in the hearing virtually, while hoping that Senator Melissa Hurtado will be bringing up the concerns they feel regarding the California State Medical Board. 17's Ilyana Capellan has more.
Good morning, Alex. I spoke to Senator Melissa Hurtado, who told me she has been a member of the Senate Health Committee since she joined the state Senate in 2018. She says health care has always been very important to her district, which spans from Fresno all the way down to Arvin and includes Kern County. Last year, the Dominguez family began a campaign to bring awareness to not only Demi and the Malachi's case, but also to the community of women and babies in Bakersfield who have lost their lives or have been traumatically harmed by medical negligence. Consumer Watchdog, which is a nonprofit consumer advocacy organization, have been closely working with families like the Dominguezes, and they have drafted up a letter that will be presented at today's hearing. Part of that letter says at least 16 different women and babies in the Bakersfield area have lost their lives or been traumatically harmed by the negligence of these two doctors. The medical board has allowed both physicians to continue placing young women, primarily Latina and Black mothers, in this community at risk by failing to revoke their licenses despite numerous complaints, disciplinary actions, hospital revocations of privileges, criminal and civil legal actions against them. Senator Hurtado says enough is enough and plans to ask tough questions to ensure health equity in the Central Valley.
Our region and the city of LA have some of the highest maternal deaths in the state of California. We have a very big problem with the provider shortage here in the Central Valley. It's the worst in the state. Typically, I believe you're supposed to have about 70 doctors for every 100,000 citizens, and here in the Central Valley, that number is at 39 for every 100,000.
While Senator Hurtado doesn't plan to speak about the Dominguez case specifically, she does plan to ask the questions that will protect citizens across the Central Valley.
It's into what is a medical board doing, what is the medical board not doing, because it's about patient protection at the end of the day. And whatever it is that we need to do to protect patients, then we need to start doing it and taking action.
The hearing begins this morning at 9 and is open to the public. If you'd like to watch and/or participate in the meeting, you can find the link on our story website at kget.com. In studio, Ilyana Capellan, 17 News.